Okay, we 1-inched along the arches here, up and over.
Nice.
All these are fire blocks, so we had to go above and below them. Obviously over the window. These are the cavities that we couldn't get down from up top.
I see. Did you get that whole wall? That whole wall is blown in?
Yeah, we mapped out the whole place. Now there's 13 down on the lower end that need to be done. We'll do that off of their scaffold and ladders, obviously.
Nice.
But she's tighter than drum. Tighter than drum. Obviously, we're gonna dirt bond all that, smooth coat.
Nice.
So that you'll be able to paint right over it. All these two, all the 1-inchers all the way around.
Cool. So this room is pretty tight then?
Yeah. Oh, it is now.
So how far along do you think you are on the whole project?
About 75%.
Alright.
Now we still have the 2 rooms in the back. Like I said, and there's 13 cavities. I'll finish the stairway today. But there's 13 cavities on the lower end we have to do. And then the 2 back rooms. And once those guys are done with the plaster, we'll finish the dome. And we're out of here.
Sweet. Sweet. Alright, bro.
Alright, I'll see you a little while. Stick around there. Yeah, it goes in right by the arch in the corner, goes at an angle up this way and hits the wall up at the top.
Wow.
So somebody had been around there shooting and the gun just went up in the air.
Wow. So how's the job going so far, Verge?
Real good, real good.
You guys feeling pretty good about finishing on time or what?
Maybe before time.
Nice. Alright. How's it going, guys? How's it going so far? Cool. How long does it take to fill up a cavity generally?
What's that?
How long does it take to fill up a cavity?
So, anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, depending on. Sometimes it'll go over into another cavity, still hacking it up. You know, it's all on how tight the wood is. This one's filling up right now.
So you having fun on this job? It's gotta be a unique one.
Well, it's kind of tough for me because how high it is in the attic, and I was by myself for a lot of it.
I see. So you're back and forth a lot?
Oh, I've when I was doing the attic, I was up and down probably 25 times at least.
Jeez. That's good for the abs.
Oh yeah, good for the legs too. Good thing I played football in high school because I don't think I would have made it.
Cool.